Having a fresh perspective is the key to success in business. In today's video, we're going to look at your why and how to take the time to gain a fresh perspective. Coming up. Hey, it's your girl, Michelle Lawrence, coming to you from LBC Studios. I help you stand out so that you can make your mark in the world. The way I do that is through my MARK method, which is mindset, authenticity, revenue, and knowledge. I do that via classes and courses and social learning, just like this. So what are you waiting for? It's time for you to make your mark. Oh my goodness. Okay. So today we're going to be talking about the need for perspective. This is the second video in our series of Your Business, Your Brand. Today we're going to talk about what it means to you as an entrepreneur in this day and age of information overload. The most important thing that you can do more than anything else is to have a fresh perspective, not just from one angle, but from all angles, before making decisions that would affect your direction and career. Let's face it, entrepreneurship is a roller coaster of emotions, excitement, frustration, even self-doubt. But when you're an entrepreneur that's been in the game for a while, it can be hard to keep your head on straight. So as we talked about in the last video, it's important to remember your why. And here we're going to take some time to ask some clarifying questions that will really help you understand where you're headed. So the purpose of today's video is to ask those big picture questions that will help you shape whom we want to become and define what matters most to us. All right, stop, catch your breath, and reflect. What is your why? What are some potential answers you might come up with when you ask yourself this question? What are you passionate about in life that can be transferable into a line of work? What does it mean to have a why? This video is meant for you to watch over and over again, just to take some time so that you can figure these things out. It's really important that you do figure these things out. So here's a question. What inspires you and drives you? Answer that question. What are some of the things that are important to you in life? For many people, their work provides a sense of purpose or helps them to connect with others who share some of the same values and principles. So it could be your work. I'm just saying, just think about it. If you're not doing what you think your life's purpose is, sometimes you might feel like you're wasting your time. These key questions can help you analyze where you are and where you're going. So question number one, why did you start your business in the first place? Or why did you start your profession in the first place? You don't have to be a business person in this scenario. You can be a medical professional or a legal professional or whatever. Why did you start down that path in the first place? What was your original vision? Question number two. I know these are like multiple faceted questions. Are you still fulfilling that original vision that you had? If not, why not? What changed? Question three. I know this is really deep. What inspires you or drives you to the things that are important in your life? What inspires you? So here's some more questions. Now, did you notice how I broke them up? If you're looking at this slide, you may notice how I broke them up into the four areas to make your mark, right? Mindset, authenticity, revenue, and knowledge. So let's look at mindset, for instance. What do you want, or how do you see yourself in 1 year? Where do you want to be in 1 year? Then 5 years, and then 10 years. Put yourself in that mindset. Next question. What unique strength do you have that you can highlight? That speaks to your authenticity, who you really are. Question number three, will you get there by doing what you're doing? That's a pretty deep one. I have to constantly rethink this question all the time. And here's the next one. If you can change one aspect about your business or your profession or whatever it is instantly, what would it be? Just think about all of these things. All of these clarifying questions will help you see what the big picture is. That's the whole point of doing this exercise. it's important to step back every once in a while to think about the big picture, those big picture thoughts, just to make sure that you're on the same page or you're going in the right direction. So sometimes this could just be a minor course correct by just focusing on these things every now and again. Some people do it once or twice a year, maybe once a quarter. It just depends. So it's one way to stay focused on your goals. To recap, am I still fulfilling my vision? That's the question you should be asking yourself. Take some time to step back and look at the big picture for your business, for your profession, for your life from time to time. Step 2, remember why you started in the first place and what matters to you most. Okay, because if you keep those things at heart, then step 3 is easy if you need to recalibrate and move forward with confidence. Okay. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. And it's so simple. It's so simple, guys. So take some time to think about all those questions that we talked about today, because this is what I know. Achieving success in business or your profession is all about having a clear perspective. And if you don't know where you're going, how you gonna know when you got there? Okay? I'm just saying. If you are enjoying this content and you want to support the show, go ahead and jump onto that link that you see scrolling on your screen right there. It's lbcbranding.link/merch. So you can get all of this good merch. Okay, so look, I'm showing you the merch, y'all. I'm showing you the merch. So this is one of my shirts. It says, "Be true to you, boo." Hashtag be true to you, boo. And then not only that, you can get this beautiful fan that's on your screen right now. Honey, yes. So here's the question of the day. What does your big picture look like? Think about it. Today's video was not meant to be rushed. Look at it over and over again. Ask yourself the questions and answer this one. What does your big picture look like? See you in the next video.